Hi there, Mr. Automation, back again. Very short video this time on how to add a help message to your parameter. Can be very handy for the end user, you know. And I changed the setup this time, so it's like parameters this time, but for a script, not for a function, right? So we're now calling a script, but it exactly works the same as the function. But we need to call it this from outside, of course, because it's a script. So we go to the PowerShell editor here. Some listing there. We have like a demo, and it accepts an input as a computer name, right? And we don't know that. For instance, we run this script now. We want to see the help message in action. You see here, type exclamation mark question mark for help. Okay, exclamation mark question mark enter. Enter one or more computer names separated by commas. Okay, you see. So I entered that help message here for the user. Yeah. See? But you can stick in anything you want, of course, and for every parameter it makes sense the message you stick in, of course. But for the demo purposes, I choose this one, and you see it's pretty handy, you know. Enter one or more computer names, you know. So you provided the user some valuable information. So you need to provide the computer name. You type -C, and you press tab. Completion, you see, that's PowerShell, because it knows when you run the, for instance, you have like the script here, right? And you press a space, PowerShell starts looking inside of that script on the in this parameters, right, and see if it can find something there with the C, and it can, right? And I'll make another example on how the auto completion works, by the way. Just create the computer name 2 now for the sake of the demo, it doesn't matter. And if we no doubt now let's take another one. We call it the username 2, doesn't matter. But if you now type the U and you tap completion, I need to save the script first, of course. Hang on. And I made a typo. I need to put a comma there, otherwise it won't work. PowerShell probably recognized that as well, you see. And now we have the user because it didn't work before. So I do -U and I do tab completion, you see, username. I do -C for computer, see, tab completion. And that's because PowerShell looks inside of this Param block and knows what to expect there, so to speak, and what you can stick in. Yeah, very short demo. I think that's what's it already. Let me see, yeah, how to add a help message to your parameters. Can be very handy, you know, for input for the user. If he runs it, you prompt him and you tell him what he needs to provide as input for your parameter. This works for a function as well, it's exactly the same. Okay, I promised a short video, so that's it. Hope to see you next video. Bye bye.